Want to know how to schedule automated emails with Apollo.io? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can start leveraging the power of Apollo's email automation to grow your business, save time, and boost your productivity. Whether you're new to Apollo.io or just want to sharpen your skills, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to set up automated emails, and I've got a special offer for you at the end that you won't want to miss. First, let's get started with the basics. Apollo.io is a powerful sales automation tool that helps you streamline your outreach efforts. One of its standout features is the ability to schedule automated emails, which saves you from manually sending emails one by one. This is ideal for scaling your email campaigns, especially if you're reaching out to a large list of contacts. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Apollo.io account. Once you're in, head over to the Campaigns section, where you'll find the option to create a new email sequence. Click on Create Campaign and give it a name that helps you remember what it's about. For example, if you're promoting a product or service, name it after that campaign for easy tracking. Next, you'll need to select the email template you want to use for your automated emails. Apollo.io offers a variety of pre-built templates that are designed to suit different outreach goals, from cold outreach to follow-up emails. If you don't see one that fits your needs, you can create your own from scratch, which allows you to personalize the message for your audience. Once you've selected or created your template, you'll add the recipients. You can either upload a list of contacts or integrate Apollo.io with your CRM to sync your contacts automatically. Make sure your list is segmented well to ensure you're sending relevant emails to the right people. Now comes the fun part, scheduling your automated emails. After setting up your campaign, Apollo.io allows you to choose when and how often your emails will be sent. You can schedule them to go out at specific times, set up follow-up emails to be sent after a certain number of days, or even pause the sequence if needed. Apollo.io's automated scheduling is flexible, so you have full control over when your emails hit your recipients' inboxes. In addition to scheduling, Apollo.io gives you the option to A/B test different versions of your emails to see which one performs better. This is especially useful for optimizing your messaging and increasing engagement rates. Just make sure to monitor your results and tweak your campaigns based on the data Apollo.io provides. One thing to keep in mind is personalization. Apollo.io allows you to personalize your emails with dynamic fields like the recipient's name, company, and even job title, which can make your outreach feel more personal and less like a mass email. This small touch can significantly improve your open rates and response rates. Once everything is set up, you can sit back and let Apollo.io handle the rest. The software will automatically send your emails on the schedule you've set, follow up when needed, and track the performance of your campaign so you can make data-driven decisions moving forward. As we wrap up, I want to mention that you can try Apollo.io completely free from the first link below, along with some exclusive bonuses. This means you can test out the features and see firsthand how it can benefit your email campaigns without spending a dime. To recap, scheduling automated emails with Apollo.io is a game changer for anyone looking to scale their outreach efforts. By following these steps, you can create efficient email sequences that reach the right people at the right time. And don't forget, click the link below for that exclusive extended free trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.